Hey everybody, what's happening? Claudio here, and thank you again for stopping by and checking out these Tech Tuesday episode. This is number 2. Pretty excited about it. Got something I'm going to share with you, and hopefully you enjoy it. But first, let's go ahead and do the intro. Alright, so for this number 2 episode, I'm going to share with you something I think that those of you who shoot video and maybe do some vlogging and maybe shoot some video that you share on your own Instagram channels, social media channels, or even you might be a teacher and you are recording students in your classroom, or you're at a church shooting an event, and you want to be able to always see your subjects. You want to be able to make sure that they're visible. A lot of times in different places you may not have sufficient lighting like I'm using here in my office. And so when you're portable, when you're mobile, you want to make sure that you're well lit. So I have something for you. I'm going to share with you this that I picked up. I've had it for some time now. I've been using it maybe about 6 months. And so been testing it out, using it, and I love the way this works. It's made by a company called Peaklite. You can find them at peaklite.com. I'll put the information down below. You could also find them on Instagram at Peaklite Electronics. Go check them out. Great. So I picked up one of these. This is 100D. It's a small one. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you can take a look at it. It's about the size of a business card. Put it in your pocket. Take it with you. Pop it on if you're doing, kind of like what I'm doing here. If you're doing iPhoneography, put it on one of these ball heads, mount it up like this. There we go. There we go. Stick it on top of your camera. Take a look at some of these shots you can kind of see. Put it on your whatever kind of rig you're using for your mobile phone. Pop it on there and turn it on. It's a great way to be well lit. One of the things about video, if you're watching on social media or YouTube, is you got to make sure that that lighting is well done. You don't want to be too bright, not well lit. Just kind of you'll have to make adjustments. But the great thing about this here is, I'm gonna go ahead and power it on, is this has a dimmer. So you can make it very low or high. It just depends, again, how well you want to be lit, how dark the place is. Really cool thing. In addition to having a dimmer, you can also adjust the color temperature of the light. So I'm going to show you here. This is kind of a cool color, and then I'm going to adjust and go to a warmer tone. So it just depends on the skin tone of your subject, or even yourself if you're doing kind of a selfie. This is great way to kind of customize, be creative in the way you do your lighting. So I'm going to power this down. I've got some great news. The folks at Peaklite were kind enough to send me one in the box, and has not been opened. Brand new. Here it is, ready to ship out. So I'm going to give this away. I'm going to include a link, so take a look. Here it is. I'm also going to include it in the description. So you got about a week to enter, and one lucky person will have one of these, the very own Peaklite. This is the 100D. They have different sizes, so I'm going to send out this one, and so one lucky person will have it. So make sure you enter your information and we'll ship one out to you. So that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by and checking out today's Tech Tuesday. Hope you've enjoyed it and hope it was helpful. So catch the next one. Until then, we'll see you later. Peace out.